What's up guys? If you are making money online, welcome. In this channel, I'm sharing with you guys a lot of tips and information that you may have never seen before. If you have been making money online for a long time and you are looking for a way to fake IP or want to try intensive and high security fake ways, this video will help you understand the basic advantages and disadvantages as well as instructions on how to fake it simply with a few taps. Depending on each situation as well as the budgets you have, you can choose one of following 5 ways. Use 3G, 4G broadcast from the phone. Using Dcom. Using VPN. Using proxy. And finally, use SSH. The first one, which is also the simplest way, is using 3G, 4G network from the phone. Just use the 3G per 4G data network from the phone, and the IP is immediately changed. The second way is using Dcom. You just need unplug and replug Dcom, another IP will be spawned. The third way is using VPN. You can prefer to using some VPN software such as NordVPN, HiveMyas, TunnelBear, Windscribe, Hotspot Shield. In addition, you can also use extensions to connect it to VPN on the browser such as Ola, Hotspot Shield. The next one is using proxy. You can use the proxy directly on the operating system or via Firefox as well as anti-detect browser software such as HiveMyas, Multilogen, Gologen to use. Here I will guide you how to configure proxy. The last one, I recommend to use SSH. I will guide how to forward SSH to a SOC proxy 5. After having the SOC 5 proxy, the fake IP will proceed. Now I will try to check this proxy with Proxy Checker to see if the proxy is working. I have just introduced to you 5 common ways to fake IP. In particular, the simplest way to fake IP is to use Dcom or broadcast 3G per 4G from the phone, but the disadvantage of this way is that the IP source is less, it is granted according to your area. The next one is to use VPN and SSH with the advantage of having multiple IPs for many regions of the world, but the drawback is that the source of the IP is not private. A lot of users share the same IP. So you should consider using proxy purchased from reputable websites. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications for the latest videos. In addition, if you want me to share about any other topics, you can leave a comment below. See you in the next videos.